Now, I did mention that Peru is well known for those gorgeous ancient superfoods coming out that are going to help with our vitality and actually today our virility. So what I'm going to do is I've got maca, which is well known for helping that libido and also getting a lot of energy so we can make the most out of our gym sessions. A very good thing to have in the morning. What I've got is a little bit of rice milk. I went for rice because rice is also widely used in South America. So I've gone with the rice milk. Try and go for an organic rice milk. No sugar added would be beautiful. Nice and natural as much as we can. So I've just got my banana. It was starting to go a little bit brown, so I just chopped it up, put it in a freezer bag, which I do often. So a nice little hack there. I've got nice frozen banana. What that does is I feel a little bit fuller. It gives the smoothie a little bit more of a body. So a pinch of cinnamon, just because.
You know, ice cream will give it body as well. You can put a couple of scoops of ice cream in there. I knew something was coming.
So I'll add a little bit of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter would be great. Again, if you can go for nice natural peanut butter, you should only see peanuts and salt. That's pretty much it.
I love peanut butter.
I knew you were gonna.
I used to have peanut butter on toast in the morning with lashings of honey on it as well.
All right, so I've got my maca in there. And now I've got a little bit of cacao as well. So it's going to be a little bit of an indulgent, almost like a Snickers-like smoothie. And I've got my chia seeds, again, from South America. Right, on we go with the lid. I've got my Magimix on a smoothie setting, so just 30 seconds.
Oh.
I can smell the Snickers in there.
Take the top off
Get
there.
that lid off. Looks like you need a bit of energy to get that lid off there, Adrian. Oh, pour that in there. Smells delicious. Now, what we're going to do, of course, we're really good friends, so we're going to share. Now, you can add a little bit of extra nutrition by just adding a few little toppings. You can also impress your friends a little bit. Go cafe style. A few little gojis there, as if we didn't have enough superfoods, some cacao nibs. Well, I know you just want to get stuck in.
Now, I'm just looking at it, I'm thinking the goji berry in the middle here at this straw could cause a catastrophe, so I'm going to make sure I don't get any goji berry in the middle of it. It's like with a hamburger joint.
Oh. That is delicious. The peanut butter, the banana, it's like a comfort food smoothie.
It tastes gorgeous. I love the banana in there. I would like a little bit sweeter. I'd probably put some honey in there, but I love the peanut butter. I think that's given it a really good flavour. Well done.
I'm ready to go to the gym.
I'll drive you there. I'll sit in my car and wait for you to finish and then drive you back.